If we change default shortcuts for menu items, we can restore the default LabVIEW menu shortcuts. In this video, we will see the steps that we need to take to restore the shortcuts to their original uh, values. So let's go. So let's go to Tools menu. From there, let's go to Options. Wait for the Options dialog box to appear. From the Category section, let's go to Menu Shortcuts. And let's first change something so that we can restore it. Let's suppose we change it to this value, and let's change this to something. So suppose we had changed some option earlier and now would like to restore it. So we would select that particular option that we would like restored, and then we will press the restore button. It will restore to its original shortcut. If we would like to change all changes that we had made to the shortcut menus, then we can also press this restore all button to restore every change to its original default LabVIEW settings. And we can press OK to commit these settings to the LabVIEW, so that LabVIEW would now run with its restored default factory setting for shortcut menu shortcuts. Thanks for watching.